Hello, dear medical lab technicians. How are you? I hope everybody is fine, right? So, this is an important intimation to everybody. So, time has come to attempt or write or perform an exam that comes under assessment 1. So, soon assessment 1 exam we are going to be attempt. Then, what is the pattern and how many marks and what is the syllabus and how we have to write everything? I will be guiding everybody in this video. So everybody watch this video and carefully you can get the information. If you have any query or doubts or the clarifications, in our group already the message has been sent. So you can contact that number, in the sense our in charge number, then in charge will clarify all doubts. So let's see when the exam will be conducted. On this coming Thursday, in the sense 28th date, 10th month, 2021st year. On Thursday, exam will be conducted exactly at 10 a.m. morning to 1 p.m. afternoon. So better every technician, you must be there in the campus half an hour before. Why? Because seating arrangement and ID numbers, nothing but hall ticket numbers will be issued to everybody. So based on that, that seating arrangement will be followed by the organization or the management. Okay. So next one, how many marks? 200 marks. Okay, 200 marks. Then what is the pattern? 50 marks Viva, 100 marks practicals based, and finally 50 marks choose the correct answers. So total 200 marks. What is Viva? How can we attempt the Viva? What type of questions may be asked? How can we answer? So don't be worried, dear technicians. Already textbook we have received from the management, MLT textbook. So everybody we have this textbook. Okay. So from this textbook, these questions are Viva or practicals, whatever it may be, we are going to be getting. So let's see, first of all, 50 marks chosen nothing but to choose the correct answers. We knew after giving a question, 4 options will be given. Then we have to select any one option and we have to write in that flower brackets. So 50 marks, 50 choosens, each chosen 1 mark. Then coming to 100 marks practicals nothing but, you don't be worried, topics based on the syllabus, different topics under the different contents we have explained in our regular classes. Most of the members, due to a busy schedule and work, you did not attend the classes, but no problem, don't worry, don't be what it is called tension. So here these 100 marks under the practicals nothing but question and answers, each question 20 marks. So total 5 questions we are getting in that question paper. So 5 into 20, in the sense total 100 marks. No choice is given. So here 20 marks answer, how we have to attempt, in the sense, take an example. An example I am telling you. Male and female reproductive systems located in the human body. Take an example. Write about or explain about female reproductive system and draw the diagram and write about each and every part, few lines or few sentences. So that is for 20 marks. Take an example one more. What is the excretory system in the human body and what type of organs are involved in that excretory system? Write their parts, draw the diagrams if it is necessary, and explain about each and every part, few lines. And one more, what are the safety rules and precautions or care should be followed by the MLT, nothing but medical lab technician in the diagnosis lab, or else while collecting the sample, etc, etc, etc. So such type of main contents or the basic contents or topics given in the form of practicals, in the sense each question carries 20 marks. So total 5 questions will be given, no choice, 20 into 5, 100 marks. Then Viva. What about Viva in the sense? Viva is also nothing but in the form of questions, like questions. So externals, they may be asked you about an example. Explain about the brain in the human body, or else explain about the nervous system briefly, just briefly, 4 or 5 points, or else ENT, ear, nose, tongue, and ophthalmology, eye. So explain about human eye, just briefly. How can you collect the blood sample? What is the use of microscope in a diagnosis center? What are the types of microbes? Basically, bacteria is the dangerous one and most hazardous microbe. Could you explain briefly about microbe? Nothing but bacteria. And recently, world is suffered a lot due to different types of viruses. Could you explain briefly about viruses? Such type of Viva questions will be asked by the experts, or sometimes you have to write in the form of answer. So 5 Viva questions will be, each one carries 10 marks, total 50 marks. So Viva 50 marks, in the sense topics, 100 marks practicals, nothing but those are also topics. 50 marks in the sense choosens, multiple choice, A, B, C, D. So one chosen you have to, one choice you have to pick and write in the flower bracket. So dear technicians, this is our exam pattern which is soon we are going to attempt. The main suggestion and intimation and everything, whatever it may be, every technician should carry or should bring our MLT textbook along with you on that exam day. Compulsory, this book everybody you should get along with you. Don't be forgotten. And the pen, pencil, sharpener, scale, eraser, everything you should carry on that day. Half an hour before you have to attempt. By mistake, in case if you are failed to attempt the exam, sorry to say, remaining stipend amount never will be sanctioned. Please be take care. You have to attempt the exam. That is very important, dear technicians. Again, according to that stipend, we have to face the problems, because everybody, you must attempt the exam and try to write well. Carry the MLT textbook along with you, pen or pencil or sharpener and scale, everything. Because starting itself from our organization, in our campus, everything provided to you, notebooks, textbook, pen, scale, sharpener, eraser, pencil, everything provided you. Because don't be forgotten to get those all things along with the textbook. And some members unfortunately yet you did not get stipend amount, so don't be worried. Confirmly on that day, whomever you did not get yet, on that day definitely the amount will be sanctioned. Okay, so what are those technical mistakes and problems will be clarified. You don't be worried. Whomever you got the stipend amount, the remaining amount, it will be sanctioned successfully, dear medical lab technicians. So don't be forgotten. 200 marks, exam date, day, timing, and question paper pattern, and what you must have been getting on that exam day. So we will meet in our campus on that exam day, and regularly MLT classes are going on, running. So attempt the classes. Why? Because one more exam also we are going to attempt soon after this exam. That is assessment 2 or final exam. That is final one, and after that exam certificates will be issued. Because this is the first exam, compulsory must and should be attended, and one more exam also soon will be conducted. So that is also question paper pattern and everything we will be explaining to you later. First of all, we have to go through this exam, and tomorrow onwards, please come to the classes thoroughly and regularly. Thank you, dear everybody. If you have any query or doubts, you could call to the number which is given in our group in the form of message. Good luck. All the best.